Hi guys, today I'm going to be harvesting some more watermelons. Real quickly, I want to show you some of the other things that I harvested this morning. My tomato plants are still doing really well. They're pumping out lots of tomatoes. I harvest some every day. The bicolor tomatoes that I harvested today are Northern Lights. This is always a really productive plant for me. It's one of my favorites. The heart-shaped tomato is German red strawberry. It's also one of my favorites. And I think the orange one that I have here is Kentucky beefsteak. I can't really remember which plant that I harvested it from, so it could be something else too. And these are my beautiful Jimmy Nardello sweet peppers. The beans are doing okay, but they have slowed down a bit. And my cucumbers are on their last leg. They have a wilt disease right now. It happens to my cucumbers every year. Either they get wilt or they get cucumber mosaic virus. I also picked some flowers today. I picked some zinnias, some cosmos, and I picked this rose red Soba, I'm not sure which is the right way to say that, buckwheat that I got from Baker Creek. It was new this year. And I just wanted to show you guys how it looked. I really like the shape of the leaves, and it has very, very pretty flowers. Today I'm going to be harvesting 3 watermelons. The first one is a Congo watermelon, and it's so pretty. I love the way the rind looks on this one. The tendril has been dry for about 10 days, and it just looks ripe to me. I'm at the point where I've harvested so many watermelons. I feel like I can just about look at them and tell that they're ripe. Their appearance does change somewhat. The rind looks duller. The watermelon stops getting bigger, and it just has that look about it. The next one is also a Congo. It's a little bit smaller than the first one. By the way, I got these seeds from Never Enough Dirt, so thank you so much for these seeds. We are having a little contest just between us this year to see who could grow the biggest Congo. Neither of mine are very big, so Brian might win. We'll see. The third watermelon that I'm going to harvest today is Royal Golden. If you guys remember, a few weeks ago I harvested a really big Royal Golden watermelon. It had a hollow heart and it was slightly overripe, even though the tendril was still green on the watermelon. So I'm going to go ahead and weigh this watermelon, and I can't remember the exact weight that it was, but I'm going to put it up on the screen. I'm not looking at the video right now, so I have no idea. I think it was around 16 pounds, but you guys will see for sure in just a second. Now I'm just cutting it open, and we're going to find out if it's ripe. I already know the answer to that, since this video is a voiceover, and as you guys can see, it's perfectly ripe. Out of all the watermelons that I grew this year, this one had the best flavor. It had a nice crunchy flesh. The seeds are brown. They're not humongous, which is nice, because when I eat watermelons, I usually just swallow the seeds. The really large seeds can be hard to get down sometimes. And now we're going to cut open this Royal Golden watermelon. At this point, I was really crossing my fingers that it was going to be ripe and not overripe, and it was perfectly ripe. This is a really good watermelon. I've read a lot of mixed reviews concerning this watermelon, but to me it tasted really good. It tasted just like a watermelon should, and the golden rind is really, really pretty. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.